Digging for facts. Uncovering the meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, digging for facts. This phrase is commonly used but can be a bit confusing for English language learners. So, let's explore what it really means and how you can use it in your conversations. Digging for facts is a metaphorical phrase. It's like picturing someone digging in the ground, but instead of looking for physical objects, they are searching for information or truths. This phrase is often used when someone is doing thorough research or investigation to find accurate information. It implies a deep and careful search, not just a quick look. Now, let's see how this phrase is used in sentences. 1. Journalists often spend hours digging for facts to ensure their stories are accurate. 2. In a debate, presenting well-researched arguments means you've done your digging for facts. 3. When writing a thesis, students are expected to be digging for facts to support their hypotheses. It's important not to confuse digging for facts with simply looking up information. This phrase suggests a more intensive and thorough process. It's not just about finding facts. It's about confirming their validity and understanding their context. Similar phrases include doing one's homework and researching thoroughly. Each of these phrases emphasizes the importance of deep investigation and not just accepting information at face value. That's it for today's lesson on the phrase, digging for facts. We hope this helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words but the ideas and images they convey. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.